When it comes to email marketing, user-friendliness is everything. The last thing you want is to spend hours figuring out complicated software when you should be growing your business. So today, we're comparing Campaign Monitor versus GetResponse to see which one is easier to use, and by the end, you'll know which one is worth your time. Stick around, because if neither of these fully delivers, I'll share a better alternative that makes email marketing effortless. First, let's talk about the dashboard and ease of setup. Campaign Monitor has a clean, minimal interface, but it's a bit too simple. It feels polished, but certain settings are buried in menus, making it frustrating when you need quick adjustments. GetResponse, on the other hand, gives you a guided setup, which is great for beginners, but the dashboard is cluttered. There are so many tools that it can feel overwhelming at first. Next thing, email templates and design. Campaign Monitor has beautiful templates and its drag and drop editor is smooth, but customization is limited compared to what you get with other tools. GetResponse gives you way more flexibility, but the editor isn't as refined. Sometimes, making small changes can feel clunky. If you need advanced customization, GetResponse wins, but if you want something polished and simple, Campaign Monitor is better. Another big one, automation. GetResponse clearly wins here. It has a powerful automation builder with triggers, segmentation, and workflows that can get really advanced. Campaign Monitor offers automation too, but it's pretty basic. If you need just simple email sequences, Campaign Monitor works, but for serious automation, GetResponse is ahead. The fourth thing, pricing. Neither of these are exactly cheap. Campaign Monitor charges based on the number of emails sent, which might be cost-effective for some businesses, but it quickly gets expensive. GetResponse has a more flexible pricing structure with a free plan, but advanced features require higher-tier plans. Deliverability is another factor. Both perform decently, but Campaign Monitor tends to have slightly better deliverability rates, meaning more emails actually reach inboxes. GetResponse is still strong here, but it relies on users properly configuring their authentication settings, which can be a hassle for beginners. Now, integrations. GetResponse integrates with more third-party tools, including CRMs and e-commerce platforms, while Campaign Monitor is more limited. If you need deep integrations, GetResponse is the better choice. So, which one is more user-friendly? It depends on what you need. If you want a simple, elegant email builder with good deliverability, Campaign Monitor is decent. But if you want more features, better automation, and customization, GetResponse is the stronger option, though it does come with a learning curve. But after testing all these platforms myself, I found an even better alternative that makes email marketing easy, powerful, and beginner-friendly. If you want the best tool for insert goal from title, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.